What's up, everybody? It's CF Crypto TA here, also known as Crypto Dunk, and I'm rebranding now to Crypto Dante on the other social media. And welcome to today's stream on Bitcoin. This is the day, guys. Today and yesterday was an amazing day. It was a really nerve-wracking day. We had the Fed meeting yesterday, and I thought I'm not really into news. I don't actually pay attention to the news. Everything is already priced in our chart all the time. So you don't really need to care about the um, news if you're a good technical analyst. By the way, everything was already priced in here. You can see with this drop over here, when Powell 1 week and a half ago was already hinting at the speeding up of the tapering and rates increase. So yesterday we just had the confirmation that will bring the rates up 3 times next year. So there will be 3 hikes. And however, it wasn't that bad as many expected. There could have always been an unexpected news. However, it wasn't that bad. The tapering will start to speed up, and however, it will be quite methodical. And in macroeconomy, what is the worst that can happen is when Fed raise the rates too high, too fast. So they're being quite methodical, and they will be bringing up step by step, trying to not increase them too fast, because this will push the investor to the risk and dump many assets. Anyway, without talking about the macroeconomy, which I'm not obviously I'm interested in. However, I am more a technical analyst, a rat, guys. So I love technical analysis because I know that is already priced in. And as we can see here, it happened. I told you already 1 minute ago. It happened here, the dump for the rates and the tapering, and we consolidated just below. Now, what do we need to talk about? Today is an emergency video, okay? Because something is gonna happen really soon. Now, as you can see here, we are still in a bullish structure. We had our higher high here, we had the higher low here, another higher high here, and we are just bringing our higher low. So we can expect a new push up. Now, what I expect, guys, I expect this pump to start in the next 24 hours. If we fail to pump in the next 24 to 36 hours, then we might be in trouble for another small drop. Okay, because the as you can see here on the 12 hour, the oscillator, they're starting to overheat. They're still in a strength position, especially with the RSI, which is still low. However, this will need to steam off at some point. And if we don't push very soon, then there will be a steam off event. Now, I bring up my draws because I want to talk about what I see in the big picture here. Now, we have here the volumetric weighted average prices, which I already put it in our in my chart, sorry. And you can see here we had the one that is anchored to the April high, we had the June low, and then the July rally low. Now you can see they're all providing the very long term, the intermediate term, so the high and the low, they're providing nice support. And it's exactly the same as what happened in September, guys. I mean, the similarities are unbelievable. You can see here we had the support bring in from the long term and the intermediate volumetric weighted average price, and we have the short term, which is providing once again resistance. So now the price is squeezing between resistance and support, which means that the next step is a really high volatility. Is a high volatility event. Okay, it will be either down or up. And I'm telling you guys, I'm seeing a pump on the next 24 hours. Now you can see we have the resistance over here, which is the one that we need to break to perfectly start the pump. However, the real one is the one over here. Okay, so as you can see here, at this point we bounce off the support, and we are now here. I'll show you where we are exactly. We are here. Okay, now you can see here we're gonna use it the same concept. We go down to this one. Okay, we just break the resistance. We are above the resistance. Okay, so this is a great news, guys. Let's take off this one because it's just bothering us. If you want to be even more sure, you bring the resistance over here with the last week, and we are now approaching the break of the resistance. So this one is the moment, guys, is the moment where Bitcoin will decide its fate. Now we need to stay with the market. Okay, I can be wrong, I can be right, it doesn't matter. It's always the market to decide whether I'm wrong or I'm right. I am covering myself, and I make sure to profit from the next move. Now, if we see, look at this. We had exactly same pattern. Bounce here, bounce on the stochastic RSI on strength, on the equilibrium level. Over here as well, we are now approaching the overbought condition like here. Same RSI, same. We break the resistance, the diagonal resistance. We test the diagonal resistance for strength, and then we are approaching the equilibrium level. So, guys, we are here. This is the time. This is the time. And then if we also go lower frames, we look at the lower frames. I mean, the similarity are unbelievable. You can see here the stochastic and the RSI. We are on the equilibrium level. We just broke above the equilibrium level. The stochastic is on the overbought condition. And look at when we were here. Exactly the same. You see, we are here. Sorry. We just broke above, stochastic overbought, over equilibrium level. Now let's see the 50 MA, how is it standing. So as you can see here on the 4 hour, break above the 50 MA, consolidation above, and then we push up. And what is happening here? Look at this, guys. Break above the 50 MA, consolidation, and then what do we expect next? This is beautiful, guys. It's an unbelievable fractal. Then we go down 1 hour, and look at this. The 1 hour is starting to reach the low. Okay, the RSI is starting to be overheated. Now, what we have here, sorry, the RSI is in the strong area. Same over here, right? What is happening? Boom! Look at this, going down, consolidating above the resistance. We are in the strength of the RSI, and then what happened next? This is amazing. And now I'll bring you up another indicator, the 200 MA. And what happened on the hourly? Let's put it a bit thicker so we can see it, because we have so many lines. Over here, this is our 200. Look, break above, consolidation. And you see there was a overbought condition of the stochastic RSI. And also the RSI was quite overheated, but it didn't break down. Okay, and look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. What do we have here? What do we have here? Look at this. 200 MA, break above, consolidation, overheated, starting to consolidate above without breaking down. I mean, this is beautiful, guys. This is absolutely beautiful. It's incredible how it's playing out. Now we go back to our low. Okay, here we have a piercing pattern of the candles, which is bullish on support However, I would like to see it down here, but this is a piercing pattern after morning star with a bullish engulfing here, piercing pattern, which goes above the 50 percent of the black candle. This is great, guys. And now I'm gonna bring you another chart. We're gonna watch this one and look at this. These one are all volumetric weighted average prices, which I might actually take them off just to help you understand because we just already talked about this. So we take off this, okay? So I make it clean and look at the divergence on the Chandemo. The Chandemo just printed a bullish cross on the daily, which is a strong reversal sign, as you can see here as well. Back in September, break above of the Chandemo, bam, we had a rally. Here, Chandemo, we consolidate above, and bam. Now this one is a call put ratio indicator, and we can see that the put, which are the shorts, are overheated. They are above one. It means that there is a clotting of liquidation price and stop losses in this area. So as soon as we break, there will be a strong rally like here. And you can see it was the same here. This is the one, I'm gonna bring it up a bit more. This is the our reference line. And as we break above, you can see this one, shorts are overrated. They start to put a lot of stop losses. There are a lot of shorts coming in. And look what happened next here. Sorry. Bam. Rally. Now, also what we can look at is a bullish divergence. And look at these guys. We printed here higher low, sorry. Another higher low. And look at this. The Chandemo printed a higher low. And we have a lower low here. So this is a bullish divergence. And not only that, we have the same bullish divergence here. We can see it here. Look at this. Tack, tack. Okay. And what happened next? Bam, rally. Because the momentum is not following the price. All right. And the same here. We had a strong, very strong bullish divergence here on the daily with the, let's say, the lower low and the new higher low. Look at this. This is huge. This is three divergences in one. Okay. So what I expect next, as I said, I expect a pump. If we fail to pump here, then guys, we might be in trouble. Now you can see here as well. Look at this. We just break above. Now this is a. We can see that there is an head and shoulder unfolding here. So if we break above this level over here, there will be a strong reaction here. Okay. If we break above the 50,000 level, which is what we are waiting for, we have a similar reaction to this one here. This one was a head and shoulder. It failed. We break below the support of the right shoulder, and we had a cascade of because here there will be a lot of stop losses and liquidation price. Okay, and now as a last, I will talk about what I believe is our next move for Bitcoin. So I see Bitcoin now to create this beautiful coil or triangle, how you want to call it, flat triangle, which is really a bit of a rising, triangle. However, this is a Elliott wave, and I talked already in another video about this. It's a Elliott wave triangle. We had a free wave down, free wave up, okay, another free wave down. So one, two, three here, and then we will have another one here, and then the last one here. So I expect now Bitcoin to go up. Let's put this one as the red one, which is my first scenario right now. We go up, touching or rejecting at the 66 level, or even maybe printing a new high and go 70. Okay, just another similar fake out, push back down, everybody are exiting. They all believe that everything is done. I mean, we had another retest and we fail it. So Bitcoin must be failing. However, everyone will be washed out. There will be strong fear around this area. And then this is the point E. And we have a strong reaction here, a very powerful, strong reaction, which will bring us to break the all-time high and bring us to finally my target of $100,000 now, and sorry, 185 at the end of the bull cycle. And now, if this scenario is gonna fail, then we will have a breakdown, possibly a retest of this support, break out of the resistance, because we're still too oversold right now, another consolidation, and then push up and start again. The last scenario, which is the bearish scenario, this one is the worst that can happen. Okay, Bitcoin breaks below with the next violent move down, retest, and then we will inevitably go to the 30k, guys. And I can see possibly then at this point, I can see possibly also the 22,000, which it was my target in case we have a flat um, correction wave. So here, back up and then down. Okay. So this is my worst scenario. However, right now, my first one is the one over here. I put it in black. My first one is the black one. Okay. We form this triangle. Let's put it like this. You see this coil and then break above. This is a continuation formation. It's typical also of wave 4 in Elliott wave. Usually wave 4 is a triangle because it basically start to create the base for the next move up. So we are creating here is the accumulation phase. So we are creating the base, the strong base, for then break above and get the next big move up. So this one was basically all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, just follow me, share, like, and comment. And I really appreciate all your support, guys. I just want to stress one more concept, just one more concept. Do not, and obviously I am not your financial advisor, and this is just for educational purposes, these videos. But I can't stress more, guys, that you need to learn to manage your risk. Let me go here. You need to learn to manage your risk when you trade. There is nothing worse than be caught on the wrong side, and you will always be wrong sometimes. And you don't want to be caught into the wrong side and just lose more than what you can afford. So make sure you put your stop losses, guys. Stop losses is there to save your ass. We are here to save the capital to fight another day. That's how professional traders make it. They manage their risk. They don't trade more than what they want. So usually it's 1%, 2% for trade. So they don't risk more than 1 to 2% of their capital in any type of trade. Can you imagine that? And then you can use a liquidation and whatever, liquidation, leverage, and so on. So make sure you put your stop losses all the time, guys, all the time. There is nothing more important than risk management. First, before to learn technical analysis or any type of analysis, guys, learn to manage your risk. Risk management is the most important because no capital and no wealth, guys. To make again the capital that you have here, that you work so hard to make it, it takes years. So don't just waste your capital and treat your money bad just because you are greedy, guys, and you have a lot of dreams that is gonna go to $2 million. So make sure you always use stop losses, guys. And that's all from me. I am Crypto Dunk. Now I'm rebranding to Crypto Dante because I love Dante Alighieri. And what is better than hell and paradise for the market? We have hell, which have the bears, and then we have bull, which have the paradise, guys. So anyway, I love you all, and thank you again for your time. And I hope to see you soon in the next stream. See you later, guys.